Welcome to the video. This project shows one way to make miniature displays with pillar candles using paper lollipop sticks and glow fiber optic strands and buttons. Materials are listed below. Plan your project if possible to know where to place the light source. You may need to drill holes in cabinets or tables. To make a set of 3 individual candles, select the thick 6-inch lollipop stick. Cut 3 pieces from it. 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch, and 1 5/8 of an inch. You can saw cut it or use an easy cutter. You may need to press it back into shape of the cylinder. If needed, gently smooth or clip any edges off the base so that it remains flat. Push the pin through the center hole. Cut the fiber optic strands larger than the 3 candles. Angle the end top for more light and to give a flame top look. Slide through the hole. Consider your lighting power source ideas. I'm using an LED chip light on a switch. I'm using a button base 3/8 of an inch, and I have to drill a hole through the center to get the fiber optic strand through. Do a light check. There are many ways to display and decorate. I hope you like and share this video making miniature pillar candles. Thank you so much for watching.